Yes, it's that simple. You just have to rub this cream on any scar, wrinkle or stain you have on your skin and get ready to be amazed by the results. And, let me say this one more time, yes, it's that simple. We all know that, unfortunately, many women around the world spend a lot of money on expensive beauty treatments and cosmetic products in order to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, scars, blemishes, etc. But not all of them can afford these expensive products and treatments. Fortunately, there is an easy and all-natural way to get the same effect, without spending too much money on these treatments. In this video we are going to show you how to get the same effect and eliminate all wrinkles, acne, scars, blemishes and other skin problems, just after few days. And, this is very important for you to remember, you can use this homemade cream to treat many different skin problems, such as removing scars, acne, blemishes, and dirt from your skin. This homemade mask will refresh your skin, and make it really soft and smooth. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Directions: mix all the ingredients together until you get a thick paste. But, if you have a sensitive skin, then you shouldn't add lemon juice in this mask. And add just a little bit of honey, or if you suffer from rosacea, telangiectasia or other skin diseases, then you should avoid honey, because it can do more harm than good. In this case, you can use white or green clay instead of honey. And use the same proportion of ingredients. Just add water to make a thick paste. How to use it: apply this mask on your face, but you should avoid the area around your eyes and mouth. Leave it on for 30 minutes. But, if you can stand the burning sensation, you should leave it on for 10 minutes. The tingling will disappear in just 5 minutes. Wash your face with warm water and apply your favorite facial cream.